3, 2, 1. Yeah! Yeah! That was amazing. You crushed it, literally crushed it. A while ago, we did a video where we fired off Stomp rockets using a CO2 fire extinguisher. Well, that was a ton of fun. So we came out to join our buddies here at FliteTest in Ohio to see how far we can take this.
Let's do this.
This is a cool place. We got all sorts of space. We'll actually be able to find the rockets after we fire them. We'll be able to see how far they're really going. Maybe modify them a little bit, see if we can get them to go farther or do some damage when they hit stuff. I think we're also talking about making some flying targets.
Yes.
And then trying to track the rockets with some drones in midair, which I can't do that, but he maybe can.
Let's make this happen,
It's gonna be fun. So you got your clubhouse way down there.
Yes. I love it about 600 feet.
I want to start by firing some rockets off of, you got a balcony. I want to fire some rockets off that balcony and see how far this way they're gonna get.
Done.
Let's do it.
Do it.
I like this. It's nonsense. Just the right kind of nonsense. I don't know, what do you think? Think we can hit the cornfield from here? I kind of doubt it. All right, I'm ready. 2, 1.
It's gone.
I feel like I saw it very briefly in the sky over there.
I should have been looking outward, but I was looking at my phone and I looked back up and it was gone. So maybe we try another one. I'll just look this way.
Yeah.
That's my only job. I'll just
See
look.
if that helps. 3, 2, 1. Oh,
There it is.
There it is. Still see it. Okay, I think I know about where it ended up.
No joke. You don't even know this, but where your thing landed, there's a giant bullseye in grass that we mow every week, and I'm pretty sure you hit slightly to the right of the bullseye. So I think we should go and see where it landed.
Okay, well I got one more. All right.
I'm watching.
3, 2, 1.
Yes.
I lost that one.
I got it. That went further, I think, than the other one.
Do we know the distance between here and the bullseye?
300 yards.
Cool.
Did you hit the bullseye?
I'm pretty positive.
We about hit the bullseye,
Are you
maybe
kidding
past the bullseye.
And he didn't know it was out there, and that's why I just started laughing.
There's a bullseye out there. You guys are here a couple hours and you're already shooting rockets 300 yards.
Oh, it's great.
I love you guys.
I'm stoked. All right, let's go check
Let's go
and see
check out the
bullseye
bullseye.
is.
Oh, there's 2 of them right there. That accuracy.
Look at this, dude. So the bullseye starts here.
No, there's all 3. That spread is amazing.
This is amazing. Not even planned. This is how content should work. So literally, this is the center. So how far are you from the center? I'm gonna walk it off right now. This was your first one, I'm pretty sure. That's the second one. This is the one I did. One of these we didn't see. I saw that one, and I saw one of these 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 spaces off.
6 yards essentially.
Without knowing the bullseye existed. Had no idea there was a bullseye.
That is what I'm talking
6
about.
yards off of bullseye.
Woo! And that's probably 8 yards.
Something like that.
Let's put it this way. We have been trying to drop things on the bullseye and on this air park for many moons, and we don't get anywhere close.
This is the
We
last.
hit the bullseye 3 out of 3 times. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
It'd be fun to try and catch. Because by the time they get here, they're probably not going very fast anymore.
I want you to go back there, and I want to stand here and try to catch
see it coming and see if you can at least get hit and maybe snag it out of the air.
Yes.
I mean, I'm happy to do that right now if
I
you
kind of
want.
want to do that.
Today's sponsor is Mech Arena, and we are going to check out this crazy cool looking loot box that they sent us, do an unboxing, and see what we've got inside. This is got to be one of like the fanciest overall product boxes I think I've ever seen. It's very sleek. We got a QR card here. Oh, it opens on a corner. Here we go. Oh, what? Okay, this is like, continues to be the fanciest box I think I've ever seen. What do we got in here? All right, starting up here. We've got a poster of a giant killer mech. Oh, and the pilot. I guess we've got pilots inside the mechs. Here we go. Oh, I believe these cards are something that we use, the QR code. lets us use these cards. Here, let's turn these around so you can see it. When I use the program, like I scan the QR code, it takes me to this website, and now when I scan these cards, it like brings up a little hologram of the character. It's telling me to find a large open space to explore the training map. I think we're a little cramped in here. We're gonna hit up the backyard and see what it's telling us to do. My phone has now generated an augmented reality of the mech fighting arena. The arena that you're playing in is huge. Wow, got another poster. Oh, double-sided poster, here we go. Charging cable, what are we charging? Ooh, it's got a screen on it. What do we got, what do we got? All right, where is, oh, it turns on itself. Holy cow. Okay, what else we got? The art, ooh, the art of Mech Arena. Ooh, that's pretty sweet. That's a fun thing to include. Next box compartment we have, it says 500 pieces puzzle. I'm terrible at puzzles, but that's pretty cool. What? T-shirt is nice. Oh yes, this freaking cool giant Mech Arena coin. Good for really big games of heads or tails. That box is really cool. All the stuff in it is fantastic. Thank you, Mech Arena, for sending that to us. Now, think about whether or not this sounds familiar. You're playing your favorite mobile game, you're having a good time, you go around a corner and hit a big pay-to-win player and they mop the floor with you. If that's ever happened to you, I recommend you switch to playing Mech Arena. It's a competitive 5v5 shooter where you progress based on how you play and skill actually matters. The goal here is to focus on how the game is balanced for all players, and winning depends on player skill, not on who's spending the most money. There are loads of free-to-play ways to get resources and to progress, like events and daily objectives. Everyone is on an even playing field at the start of the battle. Winning is about being the better player. Mech Arena has awesome in-game events as well as a great login rewards program, which you definitely don't want to miss out on. It's completely free to play on Android and iOS right now, and you can use my link in the description or scan my QR code to get 1 Steel Reaper skin, 500 A coins, and 70,000 credits to help kickstart your game.
The problem is seeing it coming at me.
You were just saying something about your depth perception? Yeah. That just makes it funnier.
That's true, just like, bang, right in the middle. Good luck, Nate.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. I put the pin in, hang on. 3, 2, 1.
Oh man! Man, I was so close. Didn't hurt. It was like a little it's as if someone poked me in the hand. There was no problem at all. I was so close!
I struck a man with a rocket.
Well done, sir.
I'm super happy with this first test.
Yes.
I think we got to explore more of what we can do here.
Hashtag prototyping.
Good job, Dave.
David has 3D printed us a rocket, and we're excited to test it out.
Yeah, let's give it a shot. Hopefully it doesn't blow up.
Now we were talking about is the weight gonna work? Like, will it fly or is it gonna tumble? So I think I have a good test for that. Here we go.
Oh, that was perfect.
Seems like it's flying to me. So now let's use the CO2, which is a little bit more powerful than my lungs, and see what kind of flight we can get out of this.
All right.
Or explosion.
Oh, wow.
And that's like going right up to the tip of it. 3, 2, 1. 1.
It worked.
Oh, there it is. Oh, I guess our 3D print did break. Maybe on landing. All right, way to go. Successful launch on your 3D printed rocket. Very fun. We've got a 4 foot by 4 foot target painted right here, and we are about 100 feet from where our rocket stand is set up. We're gonna see what we can do about hitting this target, see if we can be accurate, see how much damage it does, see what some different types of rockets might do to the target. This should be fun. All right, first try at our target. It's aimed just slightly above it. We don't know if it's gonna drop by the time it gets there or not. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. So left the fins behind immediately, and then we saw it spiraled on its way down there.
Out of control.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, close. Here goes. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Oh, it's stuck!
Yes!
Woo!
All of the hard work is paid off.
Look at that.
Actually,
Like, that's lined up with the chair, and it popped the tape off.
yeah, check this out.
I think if we had hit somewhere that wasn't the chair, this rocket would be halfway through.
And it blew apart. It blew apart where it hit, it split it, and then pushed it out, which is pretty cool.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Bah! Smashed right through. Oh, that's great.
I'm gonna be honest, it never gets old.
Yeah!
So easy a caveman can do it.
Look at this spread. 3 of them have just like, bloop.
I know, it's perfect.
This is amazing.
This bit scares me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie.
Do not remove, it says. So, no more reducer. We are going directly to the extinguisher. We have our most reinforced Stomp rocket yet. Got a little bit more weight on it too, so that might affect the outcome. I still think it's not gonna survive. I think this is too much pressure, and I think it's just gonna explode. All right, 3, 2, 1. Sounded like an explosion.
I lost it.
But I don't know where it went. Should we go see if we can find it?
Yes, golf cart coming in hot. It also could be in a tree.
It could be in a tree. It could, or maybe it works so much better, it's in the cornfield.
Yes.
I doubt it.
Nah, yeah, I doubt it as well.
So the drive, okay, I'm gonna do my pacing because I measured off my 3.18 feet per step. So I'm gonna pace all the way back and see how far we got this thing to shoot. 1, 2, 3. Pacing off with my not perfect measurement, but doing my best. I got 251 paces at 3.18 feet per pace. That gives me 798 and a bit feet. So less than 2 feet shy of 800. So yeah, we like maybe doubled our distance.
Unbelievable.
Oh.
Very satisfying in my soul.
Now out here with FliteTest, we got to do something with a plane. So we have taken their foam model F-22 and we have added a Stomp rocket.
Excuse you, that is an F-18. It is not an F-22.
I was being told F-22. I apologize for my misinformation. Thank you, Peter.
You're welcome.
F-18 with a Stomp rocket as its propulsion system. Now, I've reinforced the whole body a little bit and I hope that the rocket stays on. But you've seen by now some of the force these things fly off with, and it might tear the whole plane apart as it goes.
It's a little nose heavy, which I'm actually okay with, I think.
Any imperfections we get are just about to be highlighted times 100.
There's a lot of scenarios that could happen.
There's only one scenario where it goes right, and everything else it goes wrong. All right, maiden and possibly final voyage of the Rest in Peace.
Come on.
3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh, Peter's a good guesser.
That, my friend, worked
That was
way
great.
better than I had anticipated.
It didn't tear apart, at least not on the takeoff, maybe on the landing. So that was already nose heavy. It took off up.
That's true.
So do we need more?
Actually, no.
We need to.
Wait, a question.
Yeah.
Do you want to go faster or further?
Further.
Straighter.
Straighter, right?
Let me make an executive decision right now.
Okay.
I'm now part of your video.
Are you gonna cut the wings half off?
I'm gonna cut half the wings off. It's gonna go further. Everything's set up pretty good, but if you remove...
A decision being made.
And don't worry, I took no votes. I'm just doing this. See, F-18s can actually fold the wings up in the Navy, like if you see them on the ships.
Oh, yeah.
I just took the liberties of removing the wings.
So it's a more accurate model is what you're saying?
Yes, just without the wings unfolding.
Perfect.
More accurate model.
It's gonna go much further this time.
All right.
Actually, I want to make one quick adjustment to the plane, just because I do want it to actually fly a little bit. Yeah, because there's no lift on the wings anymore. You got a small amount of lift on the wings, so.
Get out of here, Peter. No more adjustments.
How much would he pay me if I hit him?
I'd probably do $50.
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Come back down.
Not bad. Our ground target was amazing.
Unbelievable, actually. Yes.
We need to try the air target now.
So we have a giant drone, which
It's only crashed once today.
only one time, but we're gonna try to carry this target so that we can use this guy to blow holes through said target.
Literally nothing could go wrong. So our drone did not like our square sail that we had attached to it. It very quickly destabilized.
Oh, did we break prop?
Oh, it's stabbed.
Oh, maybe not.
She golden.
Well, it delaminated. It delaminated.
We are currently about to run giant drone into said sign, bullseye.
Which has a step stool behind it.
Step stool behind it.
Ooh, I just got a severe thunderstorm warning.
We've probably got 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes. All right, you're up, dude. You do you. Phone, just don't run into the ground.
That was amazing. You crushed it, literally crushed it.
And that, my friends, is a wrap.
That was like a bowling strike right there, just. Stefan, I apologize. I said 3 minutes was inaccurate. You were right, I was very wrong. It is here. It's been about 3 minutes.
I don't think we need to worry about that currently.
What, the launcher?
The launcher system.
It's not really in danger. Nothing happens to it.
It might get struck by lightning, but other than that, it's fine.
Oh man, it might explode if it got struck by lightning. That would be something to see.